Hello everybody and happy June. I just received my paper pumpkin kit in the mail today. I was out running around with my daughter, and when I came home this was waiting on my doorstep, so I'm very excited. This month is titled Bikes and Blooms. I took the plastic off the outside already. Now let's see, I have a piece of cardstock right here. Maybe you can see the stamps better. Thank you. Have a lovely day and best wishes. There's butterflies, a bike, and flowers. And Calypso Coral is the Stampin' Spot. Let's see. Get my scissors out. I think I see butterflies as the gems. Very exciting because I love butterflies. That's what YB stamp stands for, yellow butterflies. Yep, we have butterflies. And some twine. Coordinating envelopes. Oh, 3 different colors. Bicycles. And 3 card bases in the Calypso Coral. And baskets for the bike. And this looks like Old Olive for the cardstock. And I know that they look like window boxes, but if they're bicycles, it may be for the bicycle. And some more floral. And then this looks like Daffodil Delight card base. And some very delicate die cuts. Very delicate with a yellow bicycle. Actually, that looks like crushed curry. Okay, here are the 3 cards. I'll separate everything and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got everything separated. So this is for card number 1. We have the Old Olive base, the rear of a bicycle, basket, a banner, and a little accent to the banner. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is stamp on these flowers. So these are the 2 stamps. This one says, "Have a lovely day." And I'm using my big Calypso Coral because, as you know, I like keeping the little ones for my senior class. There we go. And then this goes this way so that the edge of the card is right here. Have a lovely day. My thing is not very juicy. Let me see if I can get the edge. It's a little better. Have a lovely day. All right, close up my ink. So I've done these. Then I need to put dimensionals on the back of the bicycle. So there are many dimensionals, and there are a lot of them. So I'll just quickly put these on. I'll pause while I do that so you don't have to watch me. Okay, that was a lot of dimensionals. On the back of the bike, on the back of the flowers, on the back of this little accent piece. Okay, the first thing to go down is this little accent piece. And it looks like it's about 1/4 of an inch from the right, like so. And then we'll take all these off. Now I will say that I noticed when I put these on that when you go around the bicycle tires, that you really need to be vigilant about keeping the flat sides on either side so that it will fit better. Otherwise, I think it's too wide. And then this corner, put the little peak like that. Okay. So this goes on the edge, like so. And then this basket of flowers pops up over here. And then this goes on with the glue dots. But I'm using my Stampin' Seal because that's just what I do. And that goes underneath the... Oh, did I put it too high? No. I think I just put the little bicycle seat piece too far in. So I'm going to put a different one there, further in. So when you do it, put the sentiment on first because it tucks behind the seat. Like that. And then 3 of these little butterflies. 1, 2. I don't know where the third one is. Oh, it's in the flowers. So 1, 2. And these are kind of a little iridescent. So there's card number 1. I'll be right back with card 2. Alrighty, card number 2. We've got our Calypso Coral card base, the most of the bike, a basket of flowers, and a banner. So first thing we're going to do is stamp the banner. We're stamping best wishes and then flowers in the flower basket. All right. One. They kind of move around a little, so they're not the same direction. 2 and 3. And then the little silver dots go on the top. There we go. Right, put those stamps aside. And dimensionals. Again, I'm going to pause and do all the dimensionals so you don't have to watch. Alrighty. 18 dimensionals on the back of this one. So I bet you're glad that you didn't have to watch me put them on. Then it wants you to take 14 inches of the twine and tie it around the basket and make a bow. Hopefully I can do this without making it too loose. I think I'm going to tie it in a knot first. Oops, needs to go up a little higher. Need an extra set of hands for this one. Okay. Now it'll be a little easier because I have big fingers. All right. I'm just going to slide that around a little bit so that it's on the edge because this goes over it. Kind of like a you know, a nameplate on the front of your car. All right, there we go. So it goes this way, and this goes on the front. I don't think it makes a difference if which you do first, but we'll just do this first. Line it up as best I can. And then take off all 18 of these. And I tried to pay close attention to the exact location of where all the dimensionals went, and I think because they have it layered so that the ones underneath aren't exactly where the ones up above are. Boy, these little things are going to be everywhere this month, huh? All right. So you're going to want to line this up with the corner and this. I'm going to flip it over. Okay. And then 3 of these butterflies. One up here. Where are the other 2? In the flowers. Okay. So there's card number 2. I'll clean up and we'll do card number 3. Okay, card number 3. We've got our butterflies, some flowers, and thank you. So we're going to stick that aside. Oh, and some twine. And stick this aside. And we're going to stamp thank you on that. And flowers on this little one. This is going to be tricky. Like that. All right, we'll get our ink out. Let's see. Oh, this is difficult to line up. All right, hopefully I did okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not great, but not too bad. We'll take it. Thank you. On here. And then on this piece here, the 2 butterflies over here. And then the single butterfly up here, above the seat. Okay. Put the ink away. So we're going to put dimensionals on the back of this basket. And this basket, the sentiment, the flowers, and this. I'll be right back. All right, they're all on. And then on the back of this is are the glue dots, but you know me, I'm going to use my seal. All right, card base with the darker strip on the bottom. Then this piece. This would be a great time to use the pick tool for anyone that doesn't have nails. Take these off. All right, line this up. Looks to be about 1/8 of an inch all the way around, like so. And then we'll start putting things together. So the basket of flowers here, and the flowers go on top. Let's see. Maybe like, nope. This. Trying to get it right. And then the back basket. Got some books and a plant. Right up my daughter's alley. She loves plants and books. And then the banner. This goes down like so. Across the wheel. Oh, nope. Hold on. I caught it just in time. This goes on the back of that, so this is good. And then this, I'm going to put some seal on the back and just twists around to make it look like a bow, I guess. Goes like this, like that. And then peel these off. And put it right there. And then the butterflies, they flew away. Oh, here they are. They're in the pile of dimensional backings. Nope, no butterflies. That's it. Okay, there's card number 3. Card number 2. Get everything out of the way. So there are our 3 cards. Thank you very much for joining me. I will see you again next month. Until then, happy stamping.